Alrighty, 2017 National Treasures Baseball Personal Box Break for Luke W. Thank you, Luke. Good luck. This is the first time we are seeing this stuff in this room. Fresh seal case. $500. If anybody wants one, Luke would be up for the next box, but if everybody else wants it, we can do a break with it or personals. I almost sliced these like we were doing a break. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, or 4. Your box 4 on this one, he says. Alrighty. Sounds good. Box 4. I like the baby blue. That's pretty sweet. Alrighty. Good luck, Luke. What's up, Brown? What you getting into? S. Harris, what you want to break? 4 of 10. Kevin Kiermaier, 2-color patch. Kevin Kiermaier, 4 of 10 for the Rays. Sorry, hold on. Alright, he's coughing and stuff. Alright. Number to 15 for the Cubbies, Javier Baez, patch. Jersey, Javier Baez. 12 of 15. Brown, S. Harris, what you guys want to break? I got 2 or 3 left in a 10-box archive signature division break. 3 left in a Prism football division break. And a whole bunch of personals and PYTs. Tons of them in the store. Number to 99, all-decade jersey card, Mike Piazza for the Dodgers. Piazza jersey out of 99. All-decade. Oh, cheapest baseball. Okay. $100 for a random division in a half case of the brand new archive signature baseball. $100, 6 spots, 10 hits. NT Baseball, I got tons of good teams on sale and a full case break of this stuff right here, NT Baseball. Harry Brachin out of 99 for the Cardinals. Jersey card, old school. Got a redemption here. We'll hold that one for a second. Number to 99, on-card auto for the Angels, Chuck Finley. Chuck Finley. I have personal boxes of Bowman High Tech, Contenders Baseball, and Archive Signatures if you want in that, S. Harris. Check out the store. Number 249 for the Blue Jays. Made in Puerto Rico. On-card auto of Carlos Delgado for the Blue Jays. Delgado on the auto out of 49. International card there for Puerto Rico. Ooh, real nice card there. Pretty one here, dude. For the Expos. 3-color Expo patch. On-card auto, 2 of 3. Pedro Martinez, 2 of 3. Sick patch and auto of one of the best. Pretty sweet card right there. 2 of 3. On card and 3-color patch. Nice hit. Number to 15, Legends Cuts Booklet Materials. Dave Concepcion for the Cincinnati Reds. 3 of 15. 3 of 15. Oh, that is sweet. Auto and 2 patches. Bat Relic and a 2-color patch. Cut auto here. Dave Concepcion for the Reds on the booklet out of 15. Nice hit, sir. And last but not least, Redemption. Card number 65, Players Collection Signatures for the World Series rookie, Mr. Bellinger. Cody Bellinger. Nice hit, Lukey. Pretty nice box. Yes, sir. Thanks, Luke. Pretty sweet.